Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Moringa versus chia seeds. We'll explore their unique nutritional benefits and help you decide which might be a better fit for your health goals. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is packed with nutrients, while chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids. Let's dive into their distinct profiles and see how they stack up against each other. When we look at their nutritional content, Moringa stands out with all 9 essential amino acids, plus high levels of vitamins A and C. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are an excellent source of dietary fiber, offering about 5 grams per tablespoon, along with 2 grams of protein. Moringa also typically provides more iron and calcium, making it a robust choice for overall mineral intake. Beyond their basic nutrients, both offer impressive health benefits. Moringa is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help boost your energy naturally. Chia seeds are fantastic for digestive health due to their high fiber content and are also great for promoting heart health with their omega-3 fatty acids. Both are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to smoothies, yogurts, or meals. Ultimately, the better choice between Moringa and chia seeds depends on your individual health needs and what you're looking to supplement. If you're seeking a wider range of vitamins and minerals, Moringa might be your go-to. For those prioritizing fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are an excellent option. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Both superfoods offer unique advantages, so consider what best supports your wellness journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.